بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome dear students again in another lesson. This is Miss Leila Al-Jihani. Inshallah today we will continue unit 2, which is what are they making? Lesson 8, the reading part. Okay, if we want to recall what we have taken in the previous lesson, we have covered the conversation part. You had a conversation between you and your friend or one of your family members. One of you was the interviewer and the other one was the actor. So you played a part and you practiced the conversation. Also, we learned some new vocabulary related to movie making. Can you remind me of some of the vocabulary? Excellent, outdoor scene, indoor scene, martial art, excellent. What else? Filming, documentary, yes, documentary movies. Also, we talked about documentary movies at the end. Which documentary movie is your favorite? What type of documentary you love to watch, okay? So today, inshallah, in our reading, by the end of our lesson, what you will be able to scan the text for specific details. So you look at the text and try to get information from the text, discuss your opinion of a given topic. So we will see the reading and then we will discuss. Do you agree with the reading or you have another opinion about it, okay? Before we start the reading, we have some punctuation marks used in the reading, okay? So we want to know why do they use these punctuation marks and what does it represent, okay? So the first one, we have quotation marks. These are quotation marks. Why do they use it in writing? They use it here. Look at the example. He looked up and said, what? So between quotations, what? Why did I put it between quotation marks? Excellent, because this word is the exact word he used. So we use quotation marks when we quote that someone is saying or thinking to tell you what are they saying exactly, their words. We're using their words, okay? The other quotation punctuation mark we are focusing on is dashes. Dashes usually used in informal writing. We don't use it in formal writing, used in informal writing. Why? To introduce something surprising, like a new information, surprising, or to give an example, to set off an example. So to give you an example or some extra information, surprising information, we use the dashes, then we add that extra information, okay? Like for example, if I'm telling you a story, my sister and I, we are living in a house. I pay the bills. She has all the fun. I'm telling you something surprising. She has all the fun, but I pay the bills. This is extra information I want to add, okay? Also, we use italic, the letters when they are bending a bit. The italic letters, we use it to emphasize something, to make sure that you look at this information. I want you to focus on this information in italic, okay? Then I started reading this timetable. I said in my pocket once I get started, I can go on for hours if I feel like it. No kidding. Hours. So I'm emphasizing on hours. That's why they are in italic, okay? Now look at your books, page 15. Through the reading, you have different pictures. Can you tell me about the pictures? What can you see in the pictures? Yes, we have this one. It's look like a fan. Why do you think they use these? We don't call it fan. This is related to environment. They use it for the wind. So the wind moves these fans to get the energy, to transfer the energy from the wind to power, okay? So this is why they use it. What else can you see? This picture, look at it. What do we call this? This is an environmental phenomenon. What do we call it? A volcano. Yes, it's a volcano. Do we have volcanoes here in Saudi? Yeah, there are. Where? Where do you think? Yeah, near Medina. There are some volcanoes in that area. Do you know any other places? No? Yes, okay. Let's look at the other picture here. We have a man. He is using his, excellent, he is using his laptop. Okay, a man using his laptop. Look at the question here. What do you know about web videos and e-learning? When I say web videos, what do you know about it? It's videos in a web, like when you surf the, YouTube, when you look through YouTube, through Google, and you see some videos there. If you look up any information you want, you will find it there. What about the title and e-learning? E-learning is easy. What do they mean when they say e-learning? Okay, it's E refers to electronics. So electronics is, we can use it through the computer. We can see it through our devices. So e-learning, when you learn using your computers, when you learn using your phones, is easy. Do you think it's easy to learn something using your laptop? Yes. What do you usually, when you open YouTube, do you learn something new? Yes. Like what? Can you give me examples? Yes, like cooking. Sometimes you look for a recipe, or yes, excellent, how to fix something. If there is something you don't know how to fix, you will type it on YouTube to see how can you fix it. Yes? So this is a type of e-learning. You learn something through the electronics you have, devices you have around you in the house. If we consider this moment now, this is considered e-learning. You are learning through the internet. Yes, you are learning something new. You have the lesson online. So this is considered a type of e-learning. Do you think it's easy to have e-learning, or it's easier when you are in an actual classroom with your teacher in front of you and she is or he is talking to you? Everyone has his opinion. Some of you are saying online is easier, and the other is they prefer actual classrooms. Yes. Okay, let's see the reading. Okay, we have the first part, which is related to the environment and the energy. Let's see. You see a young executive in a public place. Executive, it's a type of, it's a job when you work in a company as an executive. So when you see an executive, a man, in a public place staring into his laptop, and you think, oh, poor guy, he is working so hard. You would think he is working. He is wearing his tie, he's using his computer, and you are in a public, like a cafe or a restaurant or whatever, or a park, and he is using his laptop. You would think, oh, he is working. Maybe he isn't. But in fact, perhaps he is looking at Facebook or Skype. So maybe he is video chatting, or he is using Facebook. You don't know he's working or not. You can't see what is he doing. Yes? Perhaps he is chatting online with friends or watching a video from his who lives far away. So he might watch something from his family far away. They're not with him at the moment. The internet makes it easy to communicate, which is true. We agree, yes? It's easier to communicate with your family and friends. Lots of people share photos, family and videos with their family and friends. So we sometimes send videos and pictures to our families using the internet. Webcams, we're talking about cameras you use to live videos through the internet, okay? Webcams also make it possible for others to see you when you are talking online. So when you are using online communication webs like Microsoft Teams, sometimes you can open the cam, yes, and they can see you, and you can talk to them while they can see your actual face there. So sometimes webcams are used to talk to someone. Okay, this is related to reading. So let's look at the other paragraph here. But web videos and webcams are much more than that. There are more uses than only chatting. There are other uses, yes? They are becoming popular tools for e-learning. So nowadays, they use it for learning other than communicating, yes? Many teachers today show web videos in their classrooms. So many teachers, they open their webcams inside their classrooms to give classes in the middle of the class, yeah? What better way to help students understand geography or science? So they here in the writing, they think it's a great way to understand geography and science, which I think very hard subjects for some, okay? So it's easier if the teacher opens his cam, okay? And there are thousands of video clips to choose from. You can see active volcanoes, the latest developments in technology, or learn more about global warming. So these are, I think, related to geography, the global warming. It's an environmental phenomena where the global warming, where the Antarctics are melting, the ice is melting, so the overheating in the world, the globe, the overheating and the bad way we affect, the negative way we affect the environment affects the Antarctic, which cause global warming. So it's a phenomena caused by us when we don't treat the environment in a good way. Okay, this is what do they mean about global warming. So they think you can choose video clips to learn more. You can open YouTube now and write global warming. You will get more information about it. Or you can write volcanoes, so you get more information, more facts. And also you can Google technology, see the latest developments of technology, yeah? Let's continue here. For some students and teachers, the web is their classrooms. Some, they don't go to actual classrooms. Some students and some teachers, they only use online classes, and sometimes they only use class videos, they only watch videos. They don't go to an actual classroom to teach or to learn, okay? More and more students are taking online lessons. Some language students, for example, learn on their own, so they don't need a teacher. Some of them, they learn on their own by watching videos to help them learn a new language from websites, and other connect with their teacher online. And some of them, the other one, they connect, they use Teams, they use FaceTime, Skype, these to connect with their teacher. They can talk to them live for the teacher to explain to them with the help of a webcam. So they use webcams and actual teachers to help them learn a new language. Let's continue here. There are also online schools like Khan Academy. There is a website called Khan Academy where you can find a lot of information there. It's a really good website. I did check it. There you can find many videos, lessons about different topics there, okay? Online schools like Khan Academy with over 3,000 videos lessons. So there are 3,000 lessons in it in math, science, economics, and history. So different topics. And it's absolutely free. So you don't have to pay anything. You can watch it for free. Do you want to know how to make a cheesecake or learn how to play golf? So if you want to learn some of that, you can use e-learning. Free, how-to videos online can teach you. Anyone can e-learn, and it's easy. So it becomes easier and easier with websites and videos are online to help us learn something new. Okay? So now, going back to the title, e-learning is easy. Do you agree with this statement? Do you think e-learning is easy? Yes. Why do you think it's easy? Yes, because you can see the videos or watch the videos anytime, anywhere, with any device. If you are connected to the internet, you can see it anytime. You are not... Yes, you don't follow a schedule. If you're absent, it's okay. You can watch it anytime. It's not like actual classrooms where you have to be or you miss the class. E-learning is easier according to this reading, okay? Let's see on your book, page 15, we have some questions here. Answer using yes or no. So you don't have to look at the statement. If it's the same as the reading, and then you will say yes. Or if it doesn't, it's not the same as the reading, the statement, then you will say no, okay? Let's read it. Answer yes or no. Number 1, teachers usually use webcams in the classrooms. Is this statement true? Look back at the reading. Do teachers usually use webcams in the classrooms or no? If it's yes, write yes. If it's no, look back at the reading. This is not your opinion. We are comparing our answers with the reading on the page, yes? Number 2, more and more people are learning online. Is this fact mentioned? Are more and more people use e-learning? Number 3, you need to pay to use video website. Is this true? Did they mention that you have to pay something? Or they didn't? What did they say about Khan Academy? Is it for free or you have to pay? Okay. Number 4, you can probably learn how to fix a bike on the web. Did they mention this information? Or they didn't? Did they mention that you can fix your bike through the web videos, or they didn't mention that? Pause the video, look at the questions, look at the paragraph, try to find the information, try to guess whether it is true or false, yes or no, okay? Let's see together. So teachers usually use webcams in the classroom? No, they didn't mention that. They said some teachers do, but not all the teachers, not teachers usually, yeah? Number 2, more and more people are learning online. Yes, they mentioned that in the article there. Yes, they did. 3, you need to pay to use video website. Did they say, or they said it's free? Yes, they said it's free. So the answer is no, they said it's free. You don't have to pay anything. You can probably learn how to fix a bike on the website. Yes, you can do that. They mentioned that in the reading. That's why it is correct. Okay. Let's look at the discussion. Do your teachers ever show videos in the classrooms to help you learn? Think about not only in English. Look at the other subject you take during the classes. Do your teachers use videos to help you understand something? Yes, they do. Do you think these videos are very helpful? They make everything easier. They make you understand something easier. Yes, these videos make you not only imagine. Before, they didn't have these videos. They have to imagine. The teacher will describe a process or describe how they make something, how to fix something. But with videos, you can actually see these things in front of you. And I think it's a very effective way for teachers to use it in their classroom. So it's very helpful for you as students. Do you ever use online videos to learn how to do things? So when you do things, when you don't know how to do something, do you use online videos? Yes, you do. So when you use the videos, you want to learn what? Ask each other. Ask each other. Go around the class. Ask each other these questions. Discuss. In groups of 5, talk to each other. What are you looking for when you use webcam? When you use video? What do you want to learn? Yes, learn a new recipe, how to fix something, to see how excellent, to see some lessons, some lessons you want to understand more, some exercises you want to know the answers, how to answer it properly. You can use the videos to help you. Okay, so what we have covered today. Today we learned how to scan the text to find the new information, to find some details, and also we learned how to discuss your opinion, to talk to your friends about web videos and your opinion about web videos and e-learning, and what do you use it for, what type of learning you use it for, okay? Thank you for listening. Inshallah, I will see you next lesson, and good luck. Thank you.